In this video, we're going to look at network discovery. Right-click the network icon in the taskbar. Then click on Open Network and Sharing Center. Currently, I can see that I'm attached to a work network. Generally, you want to choose a work network or a home network if you're behind a NAT router. If you're in a public network, you want to choose public network. When your computer first connects to the network, it'll prompt you automatically. If it doesn't, you can go into this area and you can change it from a work network to a home network. There's no difference in the firewall settings here or public network. If you choose this option, your firewall doesn't let any traffic into your computer unless you solicit it. These two options allow network traffic into your computer that you haven't solicited. If I click on Change Advanced Sharing Settings, I can see that I have additional options here that really configures my firewall. And right now, the things that are currently changing are for my home or work profile. If I wanted to, I could scroll down to the bottom, expand this, and change firewall settings for my public profile. Generally, you want to leave everything off for your public profile. If you're in a public location, you shouldn't really allow any traffic to enter your computer that wasn't solicited. And what I mean by solicited is you requested that traffic. So if you go to a website, it should be able to respond to you, but no one should be able to connect to you unless you requested they connected. So currently I have network discovery turned on. This allows my computer to be seen on the network and allows me to see other computers on the network. If I turn this off, I wouldn't be able to do any file or print sharing. I wouldn't be able to do any media streaming. My public folder sharing wouldn't be turned on. So if you're in a home network or a work network, it's okay as long as you're behind NAT firewall. If I turn this off, everything is turned off. I have no access to any of the other services, file, print sharing, media sharing. But if I turn it on, I can turn it on for some items, but turn it off for other items. If I turn this on, I can still turn off file, print sharing, but it still allows me to do media sharing or my public folder sharing. So in this case right now, I have network discovery turned on, and I'm allowing file and print sharing, but I'm not sharing my public folders. And I'm not sharing media. So you can customize network discovery. By default, if you turn it on, file and print sharing is turned on, public folders is turned on, and media streaming is turned on. What I mean by public folders is you have a public user home folder. Anything stored in here will be shared automatically if you turn this option on. That's your public folders. Under users, public, and then you have public documents, public downloads, public music, public pictures. This is also a good way to share files and folders with other users on the same computer. So if you put something in public documents, another user can sign in and access that same public documents. Even if you turned off this feature, other users on the same computer can still access this data. So by turning this feature off, you're not protecting it from other users, you're only protecting it from other computers on the network. Okay, that's it for this video.